In this video, we'll show you how to replace the backup battery in your ADT Smart Home Security Base. The base is your system's main in-home controller. It includes a rechargeable backup battery that will eventually require replacing. When needed, you can order the BASEBAT-SR backup battery pack directly from ADT by calling 800-ADT ASAP. You may also need a mini Phillips head screwdriver for the task. Got everything you need? Great, let's get started. Make sure to disarm your system either at the base or in the app. If your system is professionally monitored, put it in test mode before proceeding. This prevents the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn more about test mode. Be sure to unplug your base before proceeding. To get to the battery compartment, turn the base upside down. Then, depending on the base model you have, you'll either push and twist the bottom panel counterclockwise, lift it off, then remove the battery cover. Or, remove the screw from the bottom panel and lift it off. Disconnect the battery plug from the connector and lift the used battery out of the compartment. Place the new battery into the compartment and insert the battery plug into the connector. Make sure the plug and connector are properly aligned before connecting. Don't force the battery plug. It should fit easily when positioned correctly. With the battery inserted, let's close the base. Depending on your model, you'll either replace the access panel, then line up the vertical marks on the bottom cover and the side, press in and twist the cover clockwise to lock it in place, or set the bottom cover back on and secure it with the screw. Next, plug your base back into the electrical outlet. The base will go through a power-up cycle. It'll be ready when the light illuminates. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT base. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with us.